I was just perusing the inner sanctums of my maverick mind, thinking about the upcoming World Cup qualifying campaign for the Reggae Boys. Amidst the challenges and the uncertainties of the COVID pandemic, players are inactive, possibly no warm-up games, etc. We're hearing now that Jamaica plays Mexico away in our first game. But all that aside, we're seeing the emergence of some genuine stars from the CONCACAF region, big players who could well decide which teams from this region qualify for the World Cup. There is the Wolverhampton Wanderers EPL striker, Raul Jimenez, who will be a handful for all CONCACAF defenders. Another EPL starlet is the American Christian Pulisic of Chelsea, who is a class act and will be near unstoppable at this level. Then there is the Canadian wonder kid, Alphonso Davies, who lines up for Bayern Munich in Germany. And I was thinking, who would be Jamaica's equivalent marquee player? And of course, Leon Bailey of Bayer Leverkusen pops to mind. Despite not progressing as fast as his CONCACAF counterparts, Bailey could still be the trump card for Jamaica. But I tell you this, while the big players will be the X factors, the synergy and the efficiency of the team will be the Y and Z factors. Yes. And we're going to need the X, Y, and Z factors to be clicking together to get us to the World Cup. Yes, see that? X, Y, Z together. It's clicking together for the World Cup. See that?